Hello educators. Exciting news from Ras Al Khaimah. The UAE has just launched a brand new Golden Visa program specifically for teachers and school leaders. Yes, you heard that right. This initiative, driven by the Ras Al Khaimah Department of Knowledge, aims to recognize and reward outstanding educators like you. So who's eligible? If you're a principal, vice principal, or a qualified teacher who's been in Ras Al Khaimah for at least 3 years, hold an advanced degree like a master's or PhD, and have made a significant impact on your school's performance, you're in luck. For teachers, it's all about demonstrating your achievements. You need to meet at least 3 criteria, such as contributing to student learning, receiving positive feedback from students and parents, earning awards or recognitions, or innovating in your teaching methods. Ready to apply? Here's what you need: proof of your qualifications, evidence of residency and employment, and documentation showing your positive impact on school improvement. Once you have everything, submit your application. The review process takes just 2 weeks. If approved, you'll then visit the Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Port Security for the final processing steps. And it gets better. This Golden Visa not only covers you, but also your family, ensuring a stable and promising future for all. This initiative highlights Ras Al Khaimah's commitment to fostering an innovative and robust educational environment. It's a fantastic opportunity to continue making a difference while enjoying the benefits of long-term residency. So, what are you waiting for? Apply now and take your teaching career to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe to Shaheen Learning Hub for more educational updates and opportunities. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.